Hi guys, thanks very much for trying to give me a hand. What the problem is I can use my new DVSwitch software on all modes except DMR. And in my DVSwitch dashboard, as you can see right here, it says under DMR Master hblink.dvswitch.org. Steve, I think it was, said, have you used the DV's menu to set your DMR master? I don't know what all this is. USR, local, DVS, I don't know what that is or how to access it. But what I can do, and I do, and unfortunately I closed it already. Let's see here. Oh, Putty, it's in Putty. I get to this menu and go through the initial configuration. Click OK, yes, my call, my DMR number, okay, my DMR plus 2 digits, which is 1 4, okay, D star mode B, okay, no NXDN, okay, my port 52,000, and then I come down here and scroll in the list for 3103, Brandmeister 3103, there we go, and I go down and click OK. Uh, I guess there is no OK there. I just hit enter, and then my password. Um, Probably shouldn't be doing this. Click OK, and then I go through and hit number 2 because I am using a DV stick for, and then the speed 46800, and yes to continue, and it's finished. So